Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by protecting your data and getting a clean workspace. Back up your phone and charge it above 50% so tests aren't interrupted. Once done, remove the case and any screen protector and wipe the glass. Foreign material often masks multi-touch faults. Make sure developer options is visible and enable USB debugging. This lets you access test tools. Finally, run the built-in touch test or dialer code to confirm how many touch points respond before proceeding to repairs. You should now verify where the problem lies by running the multi-touch test and noting how many points register. This gives a baseline. Then boot into safe mode. If multi-touch works there, a third-party app is the culprit, so uninstall recent apps. If software persists, check for system and vendor updates because firmware can fix touch drivers. Use the engineering or service menu to access touch calibration and sampling rate settings. Adjust and retest after each change to see improvement. If calibration and updates don't restore multi-touch, back up and perform a factory reset as a last software attempt. This eliminates lingering configuration issues. Once reset fails, the problem is likely hardware. Replace the digitizer or seek a reputable repair shop because flex cables and ICs can fail. Make sure you test immediately after any part swap. If issues continue, the key troubleshooting tip is to methodically document each step and result so a technician can diagnose faster.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.